Is your riding lawnmower mowing unevenly lately? Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to show you how to level your lawnmower deck from side to side as well as front to back. These adjustments I'm going to show you are going to be done on a Toro time cutter SS 5000 zero turn. The first thing I like to do is lower the deck halfway down. That gives you a little bit more room underneath the deck for your adjustments, as well as easier to measure the tips of the blades. Now for the next step, turn the tips of your blades so they line up with the outside of your deck. And you want to measure underneath the tips of your blades to the ground. And obviously you don't want to be on uneven ground. Right now I'm just showing you for demonstration purposes. This is on gravel, but it's preferred to do it on some kind of level concrete or blacktop surface for best results. So measure which blade is sitting higher or lower, if it's the left or right side of your mower deck. To find the adjustment bracket, looking at the left side of your mower, the side opposite of the chute. This is on a Toro, and I think X marks are pretty much the same. Come underneath, and you're gonna see that metal bracket right there. That's your adjustment bracket. To adjust the height of your deck left to right, you're gonna need a 1/2 inch deep well socket. You're gonna wanna loosen up this bolt here, and this just has to be loosened up slightly. And then come around to the back and you see this bolt here. You turn that bolt clockwise or counterclockwise, and that sits on a hook which comes around this pin here, and that'll allow this to slide back and forth, and it'll raise your deck up or down. It's a real simple procedure. So side to side, loosen this and adjust this bolt here. Once you're satisfied with the level of the deck, be sure and retighten this bolt down here. Now as far as your mower deck up and down from front to back, that's a real simple adjustment. This rod right here goes all the way through, connects to your deck. You take a 3/4 inch deep well socket on here, and you can turn that clockwise. That'll raise the front of your deck up, and counterclockwise will lower the front of your deck. And that's all there is to leveling front to back. Again, this is done on a time cutter SS 5000, and this is a 50-inch stamped deck. The procedure may be a little bit different if you have the welded deck. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. The process of leveling your deck from side to side and front to front is relatively simple, with the use of just two tools, a 1/2 inch socket deep well, as well as a 3/4, and should take you less than 5 minutes to perform. Leveling your deck will not only keep it in better shape, as well as keep those blades from hitting stones or other debris, because one side's lower than the other, but it'll also give your lawn mowing a much more pleasant look. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.